Be ready for the dictation. 5 seconds to go. The percentage of trained police personnel is very low and training infrastructure is inadequate. The role of the Home Ministry must not be limited to sanctioning funds or simply giving advice. You must ensure better compliance or implementation of the schemes by the states concerned. In the coming days, one has to keep in mind that unless we modernize them, unless we make them happy and comfortable, they will not be able to do justice to their job. This is another point I would like to bring to the notice of the minister. The police reforms in states tell a story of slow progress. The Honorable Minister himself said that 22 states have not enacted the new Police Act. It is a high time that we had a clear cut policy to tackle this big menace in the larger interest of the country. There are other areas where we can fight. In the coming days, you have to increase the food production, but for that, you need peace. These people are not allowing progress. These people are not allowing any development. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, I rise here to support the plantations labor amendment bill. I do congratulate the Honorable Minister of Labour who has brought this bill in this House. I also thank the government and the Honorable Prime Minister for coming forward with this bill before the Labour Day. While supporting the bill, I just would like to mention some important points here. I do agree with the honorable member who has mentioned about improper medical care, but I do not agree with him when he says that this bill arises out of the recommendation of the working group constituted in the Planning Commission. As we all understand, plantation crops such as tea, coffee, rubber, cardamom, etc. are grown mainly in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Goa, Assam, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. Now, coming to the tea industry, I should say is not in a very good condition. The coffee and the rubber industries are in a better condition because they have effective coffee board and the rubber board. But the position of the tea industry is definitely very bad. Many of the tea gardens have been closed down in West Bengal and Assam, and the workers are suffering. I do agree with the earlier speaker on one point that there is exploitation. The point is that we have many labor laws in our country, but these are not being properly implemented. That is the main cause of exploitation. If these acts were properly implemented, then there would not have been such problems. So far as child labor is concerned, this government is definitely very much concerned about it. They took a decision to abolish child labor in hazardous industries. Then, of course, there is also the Supreme Court judgment and appropriate action is being taken. But whether it is child labor or plantation labor or other labor, everything depends on the implementation of the act, which is unfortunately not being done in our country. One thing is that in the labor department, adequate staff is not there. Labor being the concurrent subject, there is difference of opinion and confrontation between the central labor department and the state labor department. In the absence of the effective implementation, machinery, and in the absence of a strong organization at the grassroots level, and due to lack of cooperation of the government, the implementation of the act is not there.